Shopify versus Big Cartel, which one is better for your business? Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a comparison between Shopify and Big Cartel and which one has better features that you can use for your business and what business requirements can be fulfilled by both platforms. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me show you a little bit around the both platforms and then we'll come to the comparison. So first of all, this is shopify.com that I've opened and I haven't logged in right now. This is the main page of Shopify, and as you can see, they have a very interactive page, the global commerce platform, and as you can see, build your business with Shopify, etc. They have a million merchants worldwide, and they have told you they explore the world's largest commerce community, your store your way, select your buyer, etc. So they have basically portrayed all of the features of their platform in here, and you can basically go on and have some online courses, some blog community help, etc. You can access everything from this website, and it looks very interactive and very professional. Let's move on to Big Cartel, and here you can see, so this is basically the website of Big Cartel. This is the platform bigcartel.com, and as you can see, it is very simple as compared to Shopify. They have a main page, and then you can basically click on open your store and you can get started. Then they have added their prices, and then made for makers, they have added a little bit examples of their shops that have been created by Big Cartel, and you can see they have added some references, and then that's it. So this is basically the Big Cartel website. So let's start with each element one by one. First of all, let me compare the pricing plans of the both platforms and what features they offer in those pricing plans. So let's go on and check the pricings of Big Cartel. So Big Cartel has basically three pricing domains, three pricing plans for you. The first one is completely free, so you don't have to add any kind of credit card for this one, and you can just go on and click on sign up for free. But what this allows is it only has 5 products. It only allows you to upload 5 products on your store. So the gold features is 1 image per product, free customizable themes, sell online and in person, real-time stats, use a custom domain, offer discounts and run promos, shipment tracking, product options, group sales tax, and autopilot. So these are all the features that are included in the free version. Then you have a 50 products version, which is for $9.99 per month, and it doesn't have a listing fees. And these are all the features it has, like it gives you 5 images per product, free customizable templates, everything is same. It also gives you Google Analytics, it gives you theme code editing, inventory tracking, bulk editing, shipment tracking, etc. And then there is a plan which is called basically the diamond plan, and it has diamond features, and it is for $19.99 per month. And you can see the products that can be offered on your platform using this is 500 products. So it is very good if you have a big amount of or a large amount of products. If you have a grown up business, a mature business, you can go on with this plan, and you can see it has 5 images per product. It is same, and as you can see, the features are almost the same, are completely same as compared to the platinum features, but the difference is basically the number of products that you can have on your store. So this is basically the pricing for Big Cartel. So let's move on to Shopify and see the pricing. So if you continue with the Shopify, you have to enter your email address, and you have to add in your credit card, you have to add in your email and password, etc. And then you can start a free 3-day trial which won't require any kind of credit card for you. So but after that, you have to add in your credit card details, because all the plans upon Shopify are paid and there is no free plan on Shopify. So first of all, we have a basic plan which is for $19 per month, and it is billed yearly. What's included in the basic reports up to 1,000 inventory locations and 2 staff accounts, everything you need to create your own shop, etc. So you can basically go on and try it for free. And the next plan is for $49 per month, and it has basically 5 staff accounts, it has professional reports, and up to 1,000 inventory locations, that is same. And in the advanced, which is for $299 per month, you have custom report builder, you have 15 staff accounts, and then everything else is same. So here you can see that enjoy these features that you have on online store, sales channel, point of sale, and 24/7 report support. So basically there are a lot more complex things when you get into Shopify, but they have added the 4 main features of their platform. Then you have a starter plan which is for $1 per month, and sell products through social and messaging apps. And explore the starter plan, it is for get 3 months of starter for $1 per month. You can go on with this. And Shopify Plus, all-in-one solution for high volume businesses, like if you have a very big business, and you can go on with this plan, and it starts at $2,000 per month. So here you can see that these are all the pricing plans for the both platforms. Now let's take a look at the solutions of Shopify. The Shopify offers these all of these solutions. It has a start your business, create website, customize store, find business apps, own your site domain, explore free business tools. In the sell, you have you sell your products, check out customers, sell online, sell across channels, sell in person, sell globally, sell wholesale and direct, like business B2B. Then you have your marketing. You can market your business, you can market across social media, you can chat with your customers, nurture your customers and know your audience. Then you can also manage your business, track sales orders and analytics. You can ship orders faster, manage your stock and orders, and get paid faster, and etc. So these are all the features that Shopify offers, and I think that they are like great. They are a lot. And you can also see the resources of Shopify. You have help, how to guide, you have business courses, you have founder storage, Shopify editions. Like the website altogether is very professional. Now if you go on to Big Cartel, they don't have any that kind of information on to their website. The features are very minimal and very simple. And as you can see, an army of artists, you can see the examples of the stores that have been created on Big Cartel. And as you can see, they are simple stores. So like the Feebles, color code printing, you have Jim Golden Studio. So these are all the websites that have been created by Big Cartel, and they are very simple and very minimalistic kind of websites. Now if you come over to the overall comparison of the both websites, the Shopify is for big businesses. It's used for more advanced businesses and the ones with very creative intention, like the essential tool. If you see in Shopify or business name generator, you have a logo maker, you can get stock photography, you can have a business plan template, link in bio tool, and QR generator. See, these are all the essential tools that are available in Shopify. Shopify also allows you to integrate different apps like MailChimp and like different dropshipping apps as well, like Zoho. So you can just go on and continue with Shopify, and you can also create your dropshipping store on Shopify, and they are actually linked. Like Shopify has a lot of more advanced features that you can use to create a very impressive and very interactive store. And the themes of the Shopify, the editing of the Shopify is also a lot more advanced as compared to Big Cartel. And you can see that it is represented by their website, that how much professionality they offer. So if you go on to Big Cartel is best for small businesses. Like if you're just getting started, if you want a store that could do your work in a very good and very minimal way, and you don't want to get into the complexity of maintaining a store on Shopify, you can go on with Big Cartel, because everything is so easy on Big Cartel, and even a very beginner in the business can just go on, continue and create their store. The creation of the store and the templates are not the designs are not too much, but given the options of creativity and given the options of different things of drag and drop editor, you can create something really good out of it. So you can continue with Big Cartel if you're a small business owner, and if you are a large business owner, even if you're a person who is very business oriented and is looking forward to create a very professional business, then I guess Shopify is the best for you. But you have to invest a lot of time into understanding Shopify and all of its features. So sometimes it gets so overwhelming for the beginners and the newbies that they just exit, and they just halt their effort in between, and they don't get started with a real store on Shopify as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.